Wow, I'm an idiot. That's a terrible first shot. Okay. Hi, good morning. I haven't filmed in a really long time. I have stuff like good to go, but like I forget, like I don't feel like editing it. So I'm just gonna do like a vlog today, maybe even into tomorrow. And yeah, that's what I'm doing today. So I was on night shift last night. I have to be up for noon. Actually, I got up at 11:40 a.m. To do like my other job, which is dog walking. So that's fantastic. I love having no sleep. Okay, let's do this. It's a good boy. It's a good boy. Where are you? It's a good boy. Hi, Susie. He is so crazy. It's a camera. I guess you've never seen one before. You don't know what that is, huh? You're like, what is that? Oh. You don't like this thing. He's afraid of the camera, poor guy. So cute. Okay, well
Sync has connected to your phone.
Are you kidding me? Oh, this bitch. Okay. So I'm done taking care of the doggies. For some reason, Zeus is terrified of my camera. But now I should get gas because, wow. Because I like to live dangerously. Y'all want to see the best part of my day? Hi! Hi, bud! How are you doing? You guys smell like other puppies who are cheating on you. Yeah, I gotta fix this because I look friggin' awful. I'm so tired. So I was literally up all night. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. I think I'm just gonna go with like a simple look today. Oh, I'm so cute. I like to think of this as the regular Joe makeup look. Like, why would I spend 500 hours doing makeup when I don't have to? And that's that. That's my look. Now I'm gonna be making some juice. This is called the Red Sunrise. If you've been to Booster Juice, that's what it is. It's the juice called the Red Sunrise. 2 ounces beet, 4 ounces carrot, 6 ounces apple. Anyway, I'm just buying time until I can take Mocha for a stroll because I'm waiting until it's 3 o'clock and it's gonna be the warmest at 3 o'clock. So that's when we're going. Mocha, don't you know what time it is? It's time for a walk. Do you want to go for a walk? Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Go. Sorry I didn't vlog much of that walk. Mocha pooped, so I had to pick up his poop and carry his poop. And then shortly after, his paws got cold, so he started like limping because his one back paw was cold, so I had to carry him all the way home. But we're home now, and he seems to be a little disheveled, but overall happy. Did you have fun? Are you a little bit sad because it was cold on your feet? Yeah. Okay, hi, just an update. It is now 8 o'clock. Oh yeah, I'm wearing my robe because it's freezing in here. And you know, I think it was like 3 the last time I was vlogging around that time. It's 8 o'clock now. I just played Sims for all that time. I just bought the Get Famous expansion pack thing. Look, what are you doing? And I've just been waiting for like Mitch and Scott to come home. But it's already 8 o'clock, so I don't know what to do. Boring day off right here.
He's actually gonna eat that, which is unfortunate.
What is it?
This.
What is it? Don't give him that. What
Do
is
you want this plastic?
No!
Yes, you do.
No!
Yes, you do.
He'll eat it. Don't!
Mocha, don't be so dumb. This is plastic. Oh wait, you ate tripods.
Looks like you have a lump right here.
Oh my goodness, your hands are cold.
Let me touch you. I want to make sure you don't have a tumor. I think it's just a muscle.
Like seriously, your hands are so cold, Sam.
It's not my fault.
Oh, there we go. I don't have a tumor.
So I'm just taking care of the hamsters right now. I was gonna clean their cages, but I think I'm too tired. He's so cute. Yeah, but I'm about ready to bed, so good night. I gotta show y'all this. I'm trying to teach Mocha how to lay down, but he just sits every time. Like, he knows he needs to lay down, and you gotta see the most pitiful lay down ever. Lay down. Mocha, lay down. Lay down. No. I know you think you're doing it, but you're not. Lay down. Good. Close enough, right? Lay down. Come on, lay down. Good boy. Come on, bud. Lay down. Lay down. Good boy. Good job. That's it for now, okay? Isn't he just so weird? It's like, why won't you lay down?